Assalamu alaikum and hello again. Now we are solving MailMerge from the Specimen paper 2020. It is paper 2. Now it is task for page 10. You are required to carry out MailMerge to send out interview invitations. Every time they will support you by two files. One of them is RTF, which is opened in the Word document, and the other one is the CSV, comma separated values file, which is a list in spreadsheet application. This will be browsed during the mail merge just to get the names of the recipients and also the addresses and other personal details for your candidates or the recipients that will receive the mail. Now create MailMerge letter using the file which is here SP2 interview.rtf as master document. It is the master letter will be delivered for all your candidates or the participants. Now this is my interview document. As you see, this is the body of the document. And let's find the first question. In the master document, replace the date by the date format DD4M4Y. And please note this. It is a field that displays today's date. This does not mean you have to insert date. It will be a field which is of the date value. So this is date they are talking about. Please be careful just to highlight date from the bracket to bracket, no more. Then go to insert quick part field and please pick date. Now you can just click on these date formats and you can find the date format. If you don't like to do that, just try the format the examiner is looking for, D for M for Y, and OK. Now what does this date differs from the insert and just picking date like this? I will put both together like this and I will make the wrong one in red just to differentiate both dates from each other. You will find later how this will not gain any mark and this will give you your full mark. The evidence here, take a screenshot showing the format of the date field code. Place this screenshot in your evidence, which is evidence 11. Okay. Now, look here. I will select both dates. As you see, this is highlighted as normal, but this one is shaded as under highlight by light gray. Now, just make right click on this selection and click on toggle field codes. Now, the wrong one, which is in red, it is not converted or it is not displaying the field format because it is just only date. But here you have the format of date. So please remove this. Now by snap, just make your evidence in the evidence file 11 here. Okay. Now after this, in your master document, now the let's say MailMerge is starting. Once they say in the master document maintain existing spacing, formatting, punctuation, and replace the chevrons and text each time may appear. They appear with the following merge fields from data source file. So this is my, let's say, table for the merge fields. So now I have to start by MailMerge. You can just simply go for mailings, start MailMerge step by step. First of all, this is letters next, and I will use the current document next. Now here, I click on browse to choose my list. It is in my work here, and it was named SP2 candidates from the question paper. Okay, and this is my data. Just click on OK, nothing more. Then in step 4, you have to replace all of these fields by its replacement. You just highlight from chevron to the next one, insert. Now title should be title, name from the table of replacement. This is last name. You don't have to think what does it replaced. It is just replaced as they ask you. Level, LVL, job, position. You have just to check it against your printed question paper. Okay, so please don't think how you can replace in logic. No, just stick to the table. Here is time, APPT. It means from the paper interview day. And here LEN, it is length. C person, from the paper contact person. Pay, it refers to wage. I have took one space. I have just to press it back. Prop, it means probation. Okay, also organization, I think, org. Let me check. It is trainer. So this is a trainer. DUR, it will be duration. Let me make this mistake. Now I have forgot this bracket. Just delete. S date, it means start. And as you see, I have took the space. I have to press on space bar instead of that. And this is the end date. It will be replaced by end as requested. I have nothing now. It's all replaced. So back to your question paper. Replace candidate name with your name. Here I will write my name. And after this, include your name, center number, candidate number in the footer. Also, I have to write my name. Sometimes they ask you to put here your name and in the footer just your center number, candidate number. So I just stick to the instructions, comma space, JO014, comma space, my candidate number, close the footer, and save and print your master document in the print out for. So what do they mean? They mean that just print this paper. It is your master document. Just make print preview. Be sure it is laying on one page. This is my footer. and let's go. Now set an automated filter to select records where technical area is digital, level is 3 or more. So I have to make filter here. Now mailings, edit recipient list. Filter. I have to stick to this filter. So what does it asking me? Technical area is digital, level is 3 or more. How to write 3 or more? We will find it now. So technical area here equal to digital. Sorry, I have to stick to capital letter digital and level. Now I have to find 3 or more. It means greater than or equal 3. So be careful when we say something or more, it means greater than or equal. When say 3 or less, it means less than or equal 3. When I say it is 3, it means equal to 3. More than 3, so it is greater than 3 without the equal. And let's do okay. Now be careful that we have sometimes 3, 4, 5 letters. It will not exceed number 5 because they don't care about plenty of papers to print out. So be careful, you will not exceed 5 letters to be printed. Now I have nothing here to check that they are 3 letters only. You can just click on next, and here you have the first letter. Click here, this is the second and the third one. Okay, now as you see I have some mistake. Dear Miss, do I have here enough space? I don't think. Let me go to previous. Do I have here space? No. Now I have the enough space, the requested space. It was good. Now these are my letters. Now what's after? In the evidence, screenshot of your selection, how you did this filter. So please, I back to the edit recipient with the filter, make it like this. You have to know that each time, every time they ask you to make the filter, they will ask you for an evidence. So you can just make the filter followed by the evidence at the same moment to save your time. Please put the title with its photo evidence and back. Merge and print letters. For the selected applicants only, save and close the files. Make sure that you have entered your name, center number, candidate number on your master document. It's okay. Now, how to print these 3 letters? I can't print these letters like now because it is just only 1 page. So please, from finish and merge, go to edit individual documents like here. All, it means all the 3 letters. And okay. Now you will find I have here a problem. Tawara title is not appearing. Just press enter, it will appear. Now I can find that this is 1, 2 and 3. These are my 3 letters and done. Nothing more. I can just save now. Save these. Here the letters 1. You can just print preview. As you see, this is 1, Next one, 2 and 3, you have the 3 letters, so you can just print and go to the next task. Have a nice day and best of luck.